Foxcroft Academy field hockey team is adding a talented group of returners, including a promising freshman class to challenge for a Class C state championship. The Ponies have become accustomed to reaching the North Championship, but now they're working to break through to a title.
2 years in a row, it stings for sure, so it really just motivates us to go further this year, which I think we can do.
We've had strong teams in the past years, but this year we've really been pretty strong. We've been focusing a lot on conditioning and making sure we're just in that right place so that we will get that opportunity this year.
The Ponies start the season by hosting Herman on Saturday at 10 a.m.